Hi, I'm back again with the NYERI house. A lot of you have been asking for a follow-up video to see how the house looks like now that it's completed. I'm going to give you a tour in just a few minutes. So other than the works that were done inside, the client decided to add some few things to the house, like that graffiti you see on the containers. Since it's a farmhouse, they wanted something that represents what they do, and they plant onions, so you can see the graffiti, something close to the onions. And maybe if I can just give you a look at how the environment looks like. So the house is sitting in the middle of all this. So this is a gas cage. Instead of having the cylinder inside, client wanted the cylinder to be outside for safety purposes. So we had a hole here for the piping once they have connected the cylinder. That is the front face of the house. We have a double door painted in red. So there's still work that needs to be done here, but that's not in our scope. Client will do it at a later stage. That's the front entrance to the door, to the house. So as you enter the house, you first see the living area, and then on your left, that's the kitchen. On your right, that's the half bath. And that's the guest toilet. That is the kitchen area with a breakfast table over there. So we have a lot of storage space in this space. This house has a lot of storage space in the kitchen. That is where they'll fit the fridge. That is for the cooker. So this is a lot of space for a living space. What we decided to do is we'll have a home office over there, and then we'll have the TV set over there, maybe an L seat, or we can even cluster the arrangement of seats depending on how you want it. It doesn't have to be one set here. You can cluster them into groups. But just to give you an idea, maybe that is where the TV can go. And then you'll have bar stools for this breakfast table all the way up to here. This window was supposed to divide the spaces. So that window divides the kitchen from the living room. That window divides the office from the living room. You can decide to have something there, a decorative piece over there. So this client wanted that rough look of the container to be left. And then since we felt it was too open, they decided to do that. So that is part of the decoration of the house. So as you walk this way, this is the back door to the house. And you can access this bedroom directly from outside without necessarily using this path. So this is one of the bedrooms. Fully fitted with the toilet, wash and basin. And that is the shower area. So you get to see the cabinetry from this angle. We have a dressing mirror on that wall. So this room has a flush door, normal flush door. On this opening, we have another bedroom. So that was bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. So this is the biggest bedroom in the 3. Reason why it's this big, it's because it needs to accommodate 2 beds. One bed will go that way, but it can also comfortably go this way. The second bed will go that way. Now a bit about this room. That other room was the boys' room. This is the girls' room. So we have sliding doors for this room. Now I need to explain the design. You can come in through the room through this door. You can come into the room through this door, and then you can access that toilet and shower still from this room. How does that work? When you're in that this room shares a toilet with the other room, the 3rd bedroom. You can access the toilet and shower from either rooms, either that room or this room. It's served with a sliding door, the same as this room. So when you're using the toilet from this room, you lock that door. As a space divider, we decided to have the walk-in closet right after the bathroom. So we have the walk-in closet here. And that is the bed area.